Good morning, student. Grade 8, subject maths. Our next topic is multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial based on two terms. Binomial means two terms. Two terms multiplied by two terms. Binomial multiplied by binomial terms. Two terms. 2x is first term and the plus 5 is the second term. 4x is the first term. Minus 3 is the second term. Exercise 9.1. First sum, multiplying the binomials 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Binomial terms multiplied by binomial terms. First 2x into 4x minus 3 plus bracket plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Next one, first sign, next one number, third one variables. First we multiply sign, next number, next one variables. So first we multiply plus into plus, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus 2 4s are 8, x into x, same variable, power value 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, x power 2, x power 2. Next, multiplied by second terms, 2x into minus 3, 2x into minus 3, plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6 into x. So 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3. First we multiply sign, plus into minus, plus 2 4s are 8, variable x into x, x square. Next second term, plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, x. Next one, 5 into 4x, 5 into 4x, plus into plus, plus 5 4s are 20 into x. Next one, plus into minus, minus, this is second term multiplied by second term, plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 50, 5 3s are 50. The two terms are like terms because same variable x and x. The two terms are like terms. So we subtracting the two terms, 20x, 20 plus 20x minus 6x. So 20 minus 6, 14x. Plus 14. So plus 14x minus 15. Plus 14x minus 15. Second sum, y minus 8 number 2. Y minus 8 multiplied by second binomial 3x minus 2. 3y minus 3y minus 2. First term bracket y into second binomial 3y minus 4 plus bracket second term minus 8 into multiplied by second binomial 3y minus 2. 3y minus 2. First sign, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 3, y into y, y squared, y into y squared. Next multiplied y multiplied by minus 4, y multiplied by minus 4, plus into minus, minus 1 4s are 4y, 4y. Next we multiply minus 8 into 3y, minus 8 into 3y, minus into plus, minus 8 3s are 24y. Next minus 8 multiplied by minus 4, minus to minus, plus 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32. Next one, 3y squared. The two terms are like terms, minus 4y minus 24y, minus 4y minus 24y, two terms are like terms. So minus 24, we add minus 24 minus 4y. So 28 minus 28 y. 28y minus 28y plus 30. Next, third one. Fifth sum, 2pq plus 3q squared into second binomial 3pq minus 2q squared. So first term in first binomial taking first term 2pq multiplied by second binomial 3pq minus 2q squared. Closing bracket. Next plus. Next second term. First binomial second term 3q squared multiplied by second binomial 3pq minus 2q squared. So first we multiply first term multiplied by first term multiplied by first term. So plus, here sign is plus, here sign is plus, plus into plus, plus second one number 2 3s are 6. Second third one variables p into p squared. Next one q into q squared. Next multiplied by second term plus into minus 2 2s are 4 p same variable q into q squared power value 1, so q into q squared q power 3. Next one second term multiplied by binomial 3q squared into 3pq. First we multiply sign plus into plus next number 3 3s are 9. Next variable p same variable q squared into q power 1, q squared into q power 1, q power adding power 2 plus 1 3, q power 3. Next one multiplied by second term plus into minus 2 3s are 6, q squared into q squared same variable q, so adding power 2 plus 2 4, q power 4. Next one 6p squared q squared p q power 3 p q power 3 same variable. Second term pq is the same variable, third term 3q is the same variable. So two terms are like terms minus 4p q cube plus 9p q cube. The two terms are like terms p q cube p q cube. So two terms are like terms. So we are adding 9 minus 4 5 p q cube. So symbol is largest number sign plus 5p q cube. So plus 5p q cube minus 6 q power 4 Next sum, find the product. Second one, find the product second question, find the product from number 1 5 minus 2x into plus x. Same binomial multiplied by binomial term. Binomial multiplied by binomial term. First we taking in first binomial, taking first term 5 into second binomial. 5 into second binomial 3 plus x. So closing bracket. Next one plus second term multiplied by second binomial 3 plus x. So first we multiply 5 3s are 15 plus into plus 5 into x 5x 5 into x 5x. Next first time multiplied by 3 minus 2x into 3 plus into minus 2 3s are 6x. Next second time multiplied by second time plus into minus 1 2 1s are 2 x into x x squared. The two terms are like terms, same variable x and x, same variable x power 1 and x power 1. Therefore the two terms are like terms. So answer 15. So we added like terms minus 6x plus 5x minus 6x plus 5x. We adding the two terms, two like terms. 6 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6 plus 5 minus 1x minus 1x. Therefore answer is minus 1x minus 2x square minus 1x minus 2x square. The second sum, second one, problem number 2 x plus 7y 7x minus 2 7x minus 2 x plus 7y 7x minus 2. So first 2 binomial multiplied by binomial. The first one, first binomial first term x into second binomial 7x minus y closing bracket and plus opening bracket. Second term 7y multiplied by second binomial 7x minus 3y. So we multiply 7 into first x into 7x x into 7x x into 7x plus into minus x into y plus multiplied by plus into plus 7 7s are 49 x into y xy. Next plus into minus minus 1 7 1s are 7 y into y in the same variable y power value is 1 and y power value is 1, same variable multiply y into y into y is equal to y power 1 plus 1 plus 1 y power 2. Therefore the answer is y power 2. Next we multiply x power 1 into x power 1 7 1 7s are 7 x power 1 plus 1 x power 2 minus xy plus 49xy minus 7y squared The two terms are like terms. Using xy variable here also using xy variable xy. Therefore the two terms are like terms. So we adding the like terms 49xy plus 49xy minus 1xy. Here number is 1 xy. So we subtracting 49 minus 1 48xy plus 48xy 7x squared plus 48xy minus 7y squared. Next one, third one. Number 3, a squared plus b into a plus b square. So first monomial multiplied by second monomial. First monomial first term is a squared multiplied by second monomial a plus b squared. So plus bracket But in first monomial, first second term is b multiplied by second monomial a plus b square. A plus b square. First term multiplied by first term a squared into a. A squared into a. Same variable. Same variable. So power value is here 2. Power value here 1. So a power 2 plus 1. So multiplied by a power 2 into a power 1. A power 2 into a power 1. A power 2 into a power 1 plus a power 2 into b power 2 plus b power 1 into a power 1 plus b power 1 into b power 1 into b power 2. So here same variable a power 2 into a power 1. Same variable a power 1 2 into a power 1. So same variable we add multiplication by multiplication. So we adding power value, adding 2 plus 1. Adding power value 2 plus 1. Here variables are unequal. A here also b. So variables are unequal. So a square into b square. Next one plus. Here also variables are unequal. A into b. A into b. Here variables are equal. So we adding power value 1 plus by multiplication. 1 plus. So a power 2 plus 1, a power 3 plus a square b square plus ab plus b power 1 plus 2 b power 3. Here 4 times a square b second time, a b is a third time plus b cube is a fourth times. So here no like times. So answer is final answer is a cube plus a square b square plus ab plus b cube. And third one simplify. Number 1 x squared minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So first we multiply monomial by binomial by binomial. First we multiply binomial by binomial. First binomial is x squared multiplied by second binomial x plus 5. Closing bracket. Next plus opening second binomial minus 5 multiplied by second binomial x plus 5. In first binomial second time multiplied by second binomial x plus 5 plus 25. So we multiply by x squared into x power 1. X squared into x power 1. First we multiply sign. Plus into plus plus. Next we multiply number. Here 1. The remaining 1. 1 ones are 1. X power 2 into x power 1. X power 2 into x power 1. X power 3. Next we multiply second term. X squared into 5x. 5x squared. 5x squared. Second we multiply minus 5 into x minus 5x. Next sign plus into minus. Minus 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Next plus 25. Last time plus 25. So 1x cube plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Answer is 0. Minus 25 plus 25. Answer is 0. Subtracting answer is 0. So our final answer is x cube plus 5x squared minus 5x and simplify second sum a squared plus 5 second question a squared plus 5 into b squared plus 3 plus last term is plus 5. So binomial multiplied by binomial, first binomial in first term, a squared multiplied by second binomial, b squared plus 3, closing bracket, plus opening. Second term 5 multiplied by second binomial, b squared plus 3 plus last term is plus 5. So multiplied by a squared into b squared, a squared into b squared, a squared b squared, because the two variables are unequal. A variable, here is b variable, so two variables are unequal. A squared into b squared plus a squared into 3, a squared into 3, 3a squared plus 5 into b squared, 5b squared. Second one, 5 3s are 15 plus last term is plus 5. The 3a squared b squared plus 3a squared plus 5b squared, 15 plus 5, 20. 15 plus 5, 20. Here 4 times having. So 4 times are unlike times. 4 times are unlike times. No here like times. So therefore final answer is a squared b squared plus 3a squared plus 5b squared plus 20. And the third sum, and third one, simplify third sum. Fourth one, a plus b into c minus b. A plus b into c minus b plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2ac plus b. 2ac plus b. So here monomial multiplied by monomial plus second term monomial multiplied by monomial plus third term 2 multiplied by monomial, 2 multiplied by binomial, binomial multiplied by binomial plus binomial multiplied by binomial plus 2 is multiplied by binomial. Next first term a multiplied by second binomial c minus d plus second term multiplied by second binomial c minus d plus bracket a multiplied by second term c plus d minus b multiplied by c plus d plus 2 multiplied by first term 2ac plus 2 multiplied by second term 2 into bd. So first we multiply into a into c, ac, a into minus d minus ad plus a into bc plus into minus b into d bd plus a into c ac plus a into d ad minus b into c minus bc minus b into d minus bd plus 2ac plus 2bd. See plus 2bd. AC here AC, here AC, here also AC. The two terms are like terms. AC and AC. Two terms are like terms. AC and AC. AC plus AC. Here also AC plus 2AC. 2AC. The three terms are like terms. AC plus 2AC. The three terms are like terms. Next one AD plus AD terms minus AD plus AD, and AD terms are only two terms having AD terms. So the two terms are like lines. Next one BC came. BC value is BC minus BC. So only two terms are like lines, BC and BC. These two terms are like lines. Next one BD came plus bracket minus BD minus here also one minus BD. Next one plus 2BD plus 2BD. Therefore, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term. Total terms are 10 terms. So we also can here counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms. First, adding the like names 1 AC plus 1 AC, 2 AC, 2 AC plus 2 AC, 4 AC, 2 AC plus 2 AC, 4 AC. Here minus 1 AD plus 1 AD, minus 1 AD plus 1 AD 0, minus 1 AD plus 1 AD 0. Here also plus 1 BC minus 1 BC plus 1 BC minus 1 BC also 0, plus 1 minus 1 and 6 0. Next one minus BD minus 2 BD minus BD minus 2 BD minus BD and minus BD. Here 1, that is 1, and minus 2 BD plus 2 BD minus 2 BD plus 2 BD. Separating 2 minus 2 plus 2 answer is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 answer is 0. So final answer is third last one here answer is 0. So we add 4 AC plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So final is 4 AC. 4 AC. And next one homework part. So last sum. Next one. Next one, 8th question. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C into A plus B minus the trinomial. First term, second term, third term. The trinomial multiplied by trinomial. Here also first term, second term, 3 terms. So third term's base is a trinomial. Third term, 3 terms base is a trinomial. So trinomial multiplied by trinomial. First we multiply A multiplied by trinomial A plus B minus C. Second term plus B multiplied by the trinomial A plus B plus minus C. And third term C multiplied by trinomial A plus B plus minus C. So multiply A into A. 2 terms are same value. A and A. Power value is 1. Power value is 1. A into A power 2. Adding power value 1 plus 1, 2. Next one, A into B. A into B, AB. Next one, plus into minus. Minus A into C. AC. Next, B into A. AB. B into B. Same value. B and B. B power value is 1. And B power value is 1. So adding power value B power 2. B power 2. Next one, B into minus C, plus into minus, minus B into C, BC. Next, multiply C into A, AC. C into B, BC. Next, plus into minus, minus, same variable, C into C. C into C, C power value is 1, power value is 1, adding power value 1 plus 1, 2. So like this, A squared. No like times A squared. A squared means only one time, so no other terms, other A squared. So we only A squared. Writing only A squared. Second term AB. AB times here 1 AB. Next one 1 AB. Next one AB times. So now A times only 2 times AB plus AB. Next AC term plus bracket AC terms minus AC and plus AC. The AC terms having two AC terms. Next AB writing. Next one BC square term. B square terms only one B square terms. Next one BC terms. Next one BC terms minus BC and plus BC. BC terms 2 BC terms minus BC and plus BC. Next one AC terms. We are writing AC terms. So next one last term minus C square. C square terms only one term. C minus C square. So A squared 1 plus 1 plus 1 AB 1 plus 1 2 AB. Having two like terms 1 plus 1 2 AB. Next here minus 1 and plus 1 minus 1 AC plus 1 AC. Answer is 0. Separating minus 1 plus 1, answer is 0. Next one plus B squared minus 1 BC plus 1 BC. Answer is 0. Next last term minus C squared. So final answer is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared minus C squared. Next one homework part. Next one is homework part. Exercise 9.4. So it's 9.4 homework sum. First one, fourth sum and fifth sum. Fourth one and fifth one. Second one, fourth sum. Third one be fifth sum. Third one, fifth sum. The four sums are homework sums. Thank you, students.